Our life in the Kubo.
Oh shit, this phone.
Shopping at the wet market with Angelica. She's the one helping us out take care of the house while we're not around. She's 19 and third year college. First year college. Oh, I literally left you 1 minute ago. What do you need? Casiguran. Off to the wet market. Now we're here at the wet market. We need to buy food supplies.
Hello.
And she's taking care of me because I'm not familiar with the place. We're done with the wet market or the talipapa. Yeah. Now it's time to go home and cook sinigang. We took a tricycle instead of taking a jeepney. It's pricier, it's 50 pesos, but more convenient for us. Okay, now we're cooking sinigang na manok.
Ay, mag-ano ka para naman ma-expose yung...
Smile na lang, smile. She's helping me. Yes. Smile ka muna. Makikita na ni Lola. Smile. 1 second. Today, I will cook sinigang na manok. Yeah. Got a nice view here. So I'm editing this vlog right now while Martin is also... What are you doing, Martin?
I'm editing too.
You know, it's real provincial life if you have cattle. Like this. To keep away the mosquitoes from biting our legs. This is the sinigang. Dinner time.
So, what is this?
This is sinigang.
Sinigang.
Yes, but it's chicken.
Chicken sinigang.
Just for you.
Rice and...
Palabok.
Oh shit, this phone.
There's a... Natakot siya sa gagamba. Will you be able to sleep now?
Yes, now I'm okay.
Hala, there's a bigger one next to you. Okay, should I shut this down? Changed into my grandmother's vestida. Let's see Martin's reaction. Do you like my vestida?
Thank you for bringing me to your people. Dressing up like you really belong here, huh? Oh my god.
This is the future.
Yeah, is this my future? Help me.
Lolang Pilipina, yeah.
You film it? We have got ourselves a piece of California luxury wine from the local sari-sari. California Red, world's most popular wine. Trademark. It's actually very good.
Really?
Yeah.
You got a cheap wine.
Cheers.
Tagay. Tulolo pa.
Hmm?
Tulolo pa. My grandpa who built this house.
Thank you for having me. And for being the reason for this.
Good morning! So, I woke up really early because of the tilaok ng manoks, the chickens. Good morning, mahal ko! And he's up doing some...
So I'm gonna make myself a own coffee machine here.
Good morning from the Kubo.
Kubo. Kubo, babe.
Kubo.
I'm gonna cook breakfast.
Our life in the Kubo. Can you ano?
Can I?
Turn it on. Yesterday we tried the coffee machine. It didn't work. I'm gonna try to make my own coffee machine. I took this and I cut it in half. Holes in this fork. Then we twist it on. Look at this. This is like made for this.
All for coffee.
Coffee filter.
Martin gets grumpy when he's not drinking coffee.
So like a coffee machine does this. It like distributes water over time.
It's there.
Yeah, you actually get a good start.
Improvised coffee machine by Martin Solhaugen. You're such an inventor.
And that's a homemade coffee machine.
And now it's time to actually test it. Perfect!
I feel so.
Just a layer.
Dinner time! What do you have there? Nyog. Magkakayod pa. And, what do you call this? Malunggay. Straight from the backyard.
Yes.
This is Angela. Di ba Angela? Angela, Angelica, Angelo. You're the demonyo. Joke lang. Love you, man. Love you, love you. I said you're the devil.
Let me show you what you look like in this dress. Look at this is the makulit. She is the biggest one. Running around in your Lola's dresses, huh?
Yes, my grandmother.
Yan.
Ayan, si Angelo. Angelo, di ba? Ayan, nagkakayod. That's how you make the coconut milk. First, you make kayod. You have to grate it first. Ito na lang kami uminom. I'm also trying to upload a travel vlog, but failing miserably because internet here, I mean the cellular data here, is not as strong, but it's okay. I just hope it'll push through. Kain na guys! Kain na tayo!